Hello viewers and welcome back to Goka TV. Nigerian-born UFC star Israel Adesanya, popularly known as the Stylebender, has come under serious criticism from Nigerians for going online to say most Lagos women are runs girls, or ukas, if you want to use the English term. A lot of people think this is really disrespectful for Israel, who was born and grew up in Nigeria, and also who is currently in Nigeria. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section.
You bring last gidi. And she shagara. Even majority in runs girls ni. Two more runs girls now. In Kobo Kobo, in Ashawo. FSH, nonsense. Just be nice, just be friendly. Say hi. It's okay.